Okay guys, if you wanna know what hair dryer I use, just keep watching. I will show you later, okay?
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I will try to use one of the best top trending hair dryer in social media. None other than Revlon.
Oh my god! Wow!
Revlon One Step Volumizer. As you can see, my hair is wet, so we're gonna try it to my hair if it is good or bad. Okay, so as you can see, this is the hair dryer.
Okay.
It's nice, so I will open it now.
You serious?
Okay guys, so here is the hair dryer. So this Revlon, it is a 2-in-1. It's a hair dryer and the hair brush.
What? What the fuck?
Wow, it's amazing, right?
Damn!
So yeah, so the color was nice. As you can see, it's pink and black, and the wire is like 2 meters, I think. I don't know how to measure it, you know. It's kind of long, the wire. Okay, so yeah, it's nice. So what are we waiting for? No, let's try this.
Okay.
Before we dry our hair, we will use the heat protection spray so that we can protect, so that we will not damage our hair. Okay, so let's just spray. Yeah, I think that's enough. Okay, so here's the setting, guys. So we have off, then cool, followed by low or medium. That one, guys, is high, you know, high. As I read in the reviews, they said it's kinda not good to use the high heat. Much better if we use the medium or low heat. Okay, so now I will just cut my hair into half, so like this. Okay, then I will use the low or medium. As you can see, so this is I already dry my hair, and then the second one, so we're gonna go to the second part of my hair. So this is dry and this is not dry. Okay, let's go. Okay, hi guys, as you can see, my hair is dry now. Look how smooth my hair is. You can see that? It's very nice. It's so soft. Like, wow, it's amazing. I really like this hair dryer because like when you like as you see earlier, right? Like I do this like that. It's not hot, this one. It's not hot because yeah, it's a hair brush. So it's really nice. It's not heavy. I recommend this product because for women, you know, it's really hard. You know, it's pain in the ass to like to go to salon or whatever. You can just use this hair dryer, Revlon one step volumizer. It's really nice. Okay, guys, look at my hair.
Oh my god! Wow!
It's very beautiful. It's very beautiful. So I will not go to salon. I will just use the Revlon. Okay, the hair dryer that I use. This one is very nice. It's very beautiful. Look at that. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.